Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking an inside look at one of the most iconic and innovative buildings in the world, Apple Park, the headquarters of Apple Incorporated, located in Cupertino, California. Designed by the famous architect Lord Norman Foster, Apple Park is a breathtaking sight to behold. With its circular shape and all-glass exterior, it's no wonder that it's become a popular tourist attraction. Apple Park spans over 175 acres and includes over 2.8 million square feet of office, research, and development space. The main building, also known as the spaceship, is an impressive 2.8 million square feet. The building's design is heavily influenced by nature, with an emphasis on open spaces and greenery. The campus is home to over 9,000 trees and features a park with walking trails and a pond. The rooftop is covered in solar panels, which provide up to 17 megawatts of renewable energy, making it one of the largest on-site solar energy installations in the world. One of the most striking features of the building is the 45-foot-tall all-glass entrance, which is an impressive sight to see. The entrance leads to an open atrium that spans the entire 4 stories of the building. Apple Park is owned by Apple Incorporated. The company developed the campus and invested in building it as their new headquarters. The headquarters was a part of a long-term strategic investment for Apple, where the company wanted to create a state-of-the-art headquarters that fosters collaboration and inspiration among its employees. Inside, the building features an auditorium, a fitness center, a cafe, and a lunch terrace. The office spaces are designed to encourage collaboration and feature a lot of shared workspaces, with a high emphasis on natural light. The park also features a 1,000-seat auditorium named the Steve Jobs Theater, in honor of the company's late co-founder and former CEO. The theater is located on top of a hill, one of the highest points within Apple Park, providing a panoramic view of the park. Overall, Apple Park is a truly amazing building that represents the cutting-edge technology and design that Apple is known for. I hope you enjoyed this inside look at one of the most innovative buildings in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel past and present for more videos like this and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Thanks for watching.